Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn a pen into a stylus. And this can be used for a touch screen, and this will be a simplistic tutorial. Let's get right into this easy instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a pen, and I'm going to show you how to turn a regular pen just like this into a stylus that can be used for a touch screen. So essentially, it's really easy to do. All that you need is a pen, and you also need some cotton to use, okay? So you're going to want to take the pen apart and remove all of the internals of the pen. So basically, I'm not going to actually be doing that right now, but because this pen is still decently good, it's still got a little bit of ink left in it. It's almost out, but it still has a little bit of life left in it. But you're going to remove the internals of a pen. Now, to be the most efficient in terms of not letting anything go to waste, you can do this with a pen that's already old and has no more ink left in it. So take the internals of the pen out. Okay, once you've removed the internals of the pen, you actually have to get some cotton and you have to place it in the tip over there. So what I have here is not actually cotton. It looks like cotton, but it's just some fabric that I found to use for this demonstration. But you're going to get cotton. You need to use cotton, like a cotton swab, a cotton ball. You need something that you can get into the tip right there. Now, there are a couple ways to do this. The first way is you can actually get the cotton to be really small and then put it in the tip this way. So put it in the tip like this. So you can get the cotton to be really small and then put it in the tip by just shoving it in there. And that's possible to do. I would not recommend that way because it's harder to do. It's possible, but it's harder, and it's not as likely to last as long in the long run. What I would recommend is when you have the pen apart, you want to get the cotton and sort of make sure it's nice and narrow at the tip of it, the part that you put in first, put it inside the pen and use something to continue pushing it down until it pokes out of the tip. What you want at the end of the day is you want a little piece of cotton poking out from the tip of the pen, okay? Now you'll notice when you poke a piece of cotton out from the tip of the pen, when there's a little piece of cotton poking out from the tip of the pen, there might be too much or it might be all fluffy and stuff like that. So what you're gonna want to do is get a pair of scissors, and let's say there was this much poking out of the pen, so there was too much poking out of the pen. You're gonna want to get a pair of scissors and you're gonna want to trim it down so that there's just a little bit there. And you want it to be enough so that when you're pushing down on the touch screen, it creates a tiny little ball. And then you can use it as a stylus for your touch screen. It's literally that simple, okay? It's literally that easy to do. Try it out. Hopefully it works for you. Follow the instructions in this video and it should work. Like I said, I don't know for sure. To be honest with you, I haven't actually done this, but I've seen it done enough times in other tutorials that I know that as far as I can see, it should work. But make sure you follow the instructions and make sure you're using cotton. You got to make sure you're using cotton. As long as you're using cotton, it should be okay. And if you're not sure of whether or not the cotton's going to work, what you can always do is take a little piece of cotton and then just try it on the touch screen with your finger and see if it works like that first before you go and make your stylus regular pen. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro. Actually, last thing I will say is that once again, this is not real cotton. This is fabric. I just got it because it's easy to demonstrate and to sort of show you what to do using this. But obviously you're going to be using real cotton. All right, and that's truly it. I really have nothing else to say, so we are really going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.